My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively get rid of the browser hijacker called suggestonlineweb.com or simply suggestonlineweb. This is indeed a browser hijacker, and it is classified like that because it changes the default search engine settings without the user's approval. Whenever you submit any search queries, you get the results by some unwanted search engines, unfamiliar search engines, and also very often you see a lot of advertisements, sponsored links on top of these so-called search results. Therefore, suggestonlineweb.com is a browser hijacker that you should remove immediately. Don't tolerate it. To remove this hijacker, you will need to access the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu, More Tools, Extensions. So then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Also, to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.